All right, y'all. Quick peek at something new that I'm testing out. Now, the footage that you're about to see was captured using the Looki AI camera, and I gotta say, I'm impressed so far. Take a look. So that little clip you just saw was completely compiled and edited by the Looki AI. How freaking cool is that? Tell me what you know about GirlzLawn LLC.
GirlzLawn LLC is a woman-owned lawn care service based in Midlothian, VA. If you want contact info, recent reviews, or specific services, just ask.
There's a little bit of a learning curve, so I'm still tweaking it a little bit to make it just perfect for my recording needs. But keep an eye out because I will do a full review on this little puppy.